Hello, my name is Rylan Polster and my integrated project theme is machines. In language arts, I researched how IBM impacted the Holocaust during World War II. IBM created a machine called a hollerith machine. This machine was used to find Jews who were in hiding, as well as organize the transportation and extermination of the Jews in Germany and Poland. IBM denies that it had any connections with the Nazis, but a book was written by an American journalist, Edwin Black, which revealed all of the information that was lost since the Nazi era. In social studies, I researched machines that were used by explorers during the 15th century and the Age of Exploration. An important invention was the astrolabe, which allowed explorers to calculate their approximate location while at sea. Another influential machine that was invented was the matchlock gun, which greatly improved the reliability of guns, which allowed sailors to defend themselves if need be. Lastly, the invention of the printing press in 1440 allowed everyone to be able to learn more about the world and hear the stories of great explorers. In Hebrew, I studied Benny Landa, an Israeli inventor who revolutionized the commercial digital printing industry with the ePrint 1000. The ePrint 1000 is a printer that allowed companies to print in color in huge quantities for a relatively low price. Now, Benny Landa is making an impact again with nanography and nanoink, which will once again change the path of digital color printing. There is a Jewish story that tells about a golem, or clay human figure, who was given life by a rabbi in Prague during the 16th century. This is the story that I researched for Tanakh. The story tells that a golem was made alive by having the Hebrew word emet, or truth, engraved on his forehead. The golem could then use its incredible strength to help the Jewish people defend themselves. When the golem needs to be shut down, the aleph in emet is removed, leaving just the word met, or death. Lastly, I researched the living artist Charles Bogman. Bogman currently lives in Kansas where he runs an art school. He is part of the genre expressionism movement because he paints everyday objects and machines with an expressionistic touch. I chose to emulate his painting, Open Sesame. The emulation process is a very long and complex one, but it pays off in the end. For my authentic experience, I am working with grad students at Case Western Reserve University to develop a device that can be used to help researchers interpret nerve signals in a hand amputee and use the signals to control a robotic prosthetic hand. In addition, I am creating an instruction manual for some of the technology that we have and use here at Mandel. Thank you for watching this brief presentation showcasing what I have learned during integrated project and project-based learning this past year.